Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kilkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study some example from exercise 3.4. Now, see the question number 2. In the figure, measure of arc NS means this arc equal to 125 degree. Measure of arc EF means this arc 37 degree. Find the measure of angle NMS. NMS, this angle. This angle is outside of the vertex of this angle is outside of the circle. Now solution. The given is measure of arc NS equal to 125, measure of arc EF equal to 37 degree. Then angle NMS has its vertex in the exterior of the circle and intercept arc EF and arc NS, means this angle intercept these two arc NS and EF. So we can write down measure of angle NMS equal to 1 by 2 in square bracket measure of arc NS minus measure of arc EF, square bracket complete. Now put the values. Measure of angle NMS equal to 1 by 2 in square bracket 125 minus 37 bracket complete equal to 1 by 2 into subtraction of these 2 is over 88. Then we get measure of angle NMS equal to 44 degree. Now we can see the third example. In figure, chord AC and chord DE, this chord AC and this chord DE intersect at B. If angle ABE equal to 108, measure of arc AE means this arc equal to 95 degree. Find the measure of arc DC means this arc DC. Solution. Now given is measure of arc AE equal to 95 degree, measure of angle ABE equal to 108, that is the given. Then angle ABE see the angle ABE has its vertex means this B inside the circle and intercept arc AE and its vertically opposite angle DBC intercept arc DC, means this angle ABE intercept this arc AE, its vertically opposite angle DBC intercept this arc DC, and this vertex of the angle lie inside the circle. So we can write down measure of angle ABE equal to 1 by 2 in square bracket measure of arc AE plus measure of arc DC, means this arc plus this arc DC, square bracket complete. Now the measure of angle AB is given 108 equal to 1 by 2 into square bracket 95. Measure of this arc AE is given 95 plus measure of arc DC, square bracket complete. Then this 2 goes to left side and multiply to 108. Then 108 into 2 equal to 95 plus measure of arc DC. Then measure of arc DC equal to the product of this two number is 216 minus this 95. Then measure of arc DC equal to 121 degree. In this way, we find out the value of arc DC. See, the vertex of the angle lie outside the circle, then we write down the difference of the intercepted arc and its half. If the vertex lie inside the circle, then write down the sum of the arc and its half. Now you must take in mind that if the vertex lie outside and vertex lie inside of the circle, then which formula we use. Good day, goodbye.